Hi there, admins. Today we're looking at our deferral form. So all customers who are deciding to cease their lessons will roll into our deferral category. All customers must complete a written deferral form. The idea of the deferral form is certainly to give you as the admin team a chance to have a chat to the customer, see if there are any problems, perhaps fix a problem perhaps, and maybe not even have a deferral customer out of them as well. But if deferral is going to happen, then that manual deferral form needs to be entered here in the web form. This form will be available as one of your tabs, as a standard tab within your browser on each admin computer. When filling in the deferral form, it's pretty straightforward. The main difference you'll come across is I do have a link directly to all of our actual customers here. So we want to find that customer first, and in this instance I'm going to work with this John Test 5 just for the purpose of showing you through the system. Just to have a quick look, if I'm switching here, I'm now into the Swim Families app. This is John Test 5. I just want to show you here that currently we are set as active. Okay, the booking is active, and we're going to now defer that booking, and we'll see what it actually does to that that item there. So filling in the details, the basic details of the customer, etc. Making sure we use the same email address that they use in their main item. Now the deferral date, so this doesn't have to be today, perhaps they're deferring at the end of next week, so we can put that deferral date as at the end of next week, and that will actually hold off sending out a deferral survey until a couple of days after that. Reason for cancellation or deferring, a very, very important form of a way of collecting some data over time. So there will be more items on here that we might want to add over the course of using this app. We will certainly can do that very easily, but that will accrue some data for us over time. That will be very interesting for us to keep an eye on. Any deferral notes, might have been a comment, good or bad, about the program or a teacher or something like that. We obviously want to keep track of that as well. And all you need to do now is switch the customer to deferred, and that is done. The form will reset, ready for the next one to come in. Having a look over here in our John Test 5, we have now, the booking status has automatically changed to deferred. Okay, so that's, and we've now got a new category that has been populated, just doubling up to say that this is a deferred customer. And of course, our whole process of going through a deferred customer is to eventually see them as a returned deferral or a ret-def. Hope that helps a little bit. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave some comments on the side, and I will answer them for you. Thanks for that. Take care.